Guess all 40 birds from the photos in 3 seconds each. Here is the first one. Hope you get it right. Peregrine falcon. A high-speed predator that dives at over 240 miles per hour. Here is the next one. Shoebill stork. Despite their terrifying look, they're known to bow back to humans. Think you know this bird? Cassowary. Called the world's most dangerous bird, thanks to their dagger-like claws. A tricky one, let's see. Atlantic puffin. Their colorful beaks fade to gray in winter and brighten up again in spring. This one is quite unique. Secretary bird. They hunt snakes by stomping on them with incredible force. Can you identify this one? Hoo-hoo. They are the national bird of Israel and are famous for their crown of feathers. This bird is truly amazing. Harpy eagle. Their talons are as big as a grizzly bear's claws. Are you still on a roll? Bearded vulture. Bone is their main meal, they even swallow them whole. Got your answer ready? Kookaburra. Their call sounds exactly like human laughter. Let's keep going. Mandarin duck. A symbol of love and fidelity in Asian culture, they are famously devoted. This bird is truly amazing. Kakapo. A flightless parrot that smells like honey or flowers. Let's test your bird knowledge. Magnificent frigate bird. They can sleep while flying and stay in the air for months at a time. Think you know this bird? Roseate spoonbill. Like flamingos, they get their pink color from the pigments in the shrimp they eat. What bird is this? Great hornbill. They have a hollow beak cast that helps amplify their calls. Let's keep going. Victoria crowned pigeon. The world's largest pigeon, growing nearly to the size of a turkey. This one might be easy. Blue-footed booby. Males show off their bright blue feet in a clumsy dance to attract mates. Guess this raptor. Osprey. They survive on a diet of almost 100% live fish. This bird is truly amazing. Superb lyrebird. They perfectly mimic chainsaws, shutters, and car alarms. Got your answer ready? Sword-billed hummingbird. It is the only bird with a beak longer than its entire body. Can you identify this one? Kiwi. Kiwi eggs are huge, they're 20% of the mother's size. Getting tougher now, good luck. California condor. The largest land bird in North America, with a massive wingspan. Don't let this one fool you. Bohemian waxwing. They can eat double their body weight in berries every single day. You're doing great, keep going. Lilac-breasted roller. During courtship, they fly straight up and dive in a rolling motion. How are you doing so far? Snowy owl. Unlike most owls, these guys are active during the day. Got your answer ready? Resplendent quetzal. Ancient Mayans and Aztecs considered their vibrant feathers sacred. Are you still on a roll? Northern cardinal. Males are bright red, while tan females blend perfectly into nests. A tricky one, let's see. Toucan. They use their massive, hollow beaks to cool their bodies down. Think you know this bird? King vulture. Known as the kings for bullying other vultures off carcasses. Let's keep going. Falcon. The largest falcon on Earth, master of the frozen Arctic. Are you still on a roll? Cock of the Rock. Their bright orange crest is so large, it nearly hides their beak. Let's keep going. Gray-crowned crane. Uganda's national bird, it even appears on their flag. This one is slightly tricky. Tawny frogmouth. Often mistaken for an owl, but they're actually nightjars. Few more to go. Good luck. Marabou stork. Nicknamed the Undertaker for their dark, cloak-like wings. Can you identify this one? Hyacinth macaw. The world's largest flying parrot, their beaks can crack coconuts. This one looks cute. Summer tanager. They catch bees mid-air to rub off the stingers before eating. Guess this vibrant bird. Golden pheasant. Despite their bright colors, they are masters of camouflage. Another bird, which one is this? Arctic tern. They hold the record for the world's longest migration. Almost there, finish strong. Great blue heron. They strike at lightning speed using their unique S-shaped neck. One more to go after this. Fairy wren. Males woo females by gifting them colorful flower petals. Here is the last one. Share your score in the comments. Wida. They trick other birds into raising their chicks for free. Thank you for watching. Share your score in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button for more quizzes like this.